So hello. So let's go with our trading setup. So today, like there were two trades, okay, in the London session. So let's break down those are the trades. They're not great trades at all. Like the one was 1.63 and one was 1.88 hard trade, but they're great. And yesterday there was one trade. So let's keep it aside and let's break down these two trades. Okay. So let me replay the chart from when the London. So session start as per my time frame at 12:30, 12:45. So this is where the London session start. So, so let me delete this first. So at the London session start, the first thing to do is, okay, this is when the London session start, right, 12:30, and we can mark 12:45. Okay. This is when basically the London session start. So when the London session start, we have to mark whether there is some kind of like trail line liquidity or not. So there is this trail line that was formed during the Asian session. Like here you can look. So this is the Asian session, right? It's starting from somewhere around here to like before the start of the London session, which was all the way at this point. So this trail line was formed in the Asian session. Okay, so we mark this trail line. So the similar here. The same here as well. Okay, so the essence star season started somewhere near here. Then the recent trend line in the essence season is this. This is the recent trend line in the essence season. So opposite to that trend line, we mark the essence season low. So here the trend line is downside. So opposite to that trend line, we mark the essence season high. So we did that. Okay. So what is often time is, okay, what we know often times, what I have realized in the market is, if the price break the essence on high first, right, then it will time and often come to break this trend line as well. It may come to break this trend line like up to this time, or it may come up to here or here or here. We don't know that, but it will break this trend line. Or vice versa is true. Like if the price like came down first and break this trend line, okay, then it will go up to break this essential line. Okay, so it works most of the time and it has a good accuracy in the market. So let me see, let me realize where there is let me, okay, here it is, okay, this is when the sensation started. So 12:45, this is where the sensation started at this candle. Alone session started, right? So before this candle, okay, so it's not on the day, but there was this trend line liquidity, right? And there was this low, and the low was broken up. Okay, the price came here and broke this. So it happened like much more late. Okay, so that was not going to be valuable for us. But if you look at here, then okay, let me show you other. Okay, let's go with the trade. Let's not be lost there. So the price break this trend line. So our expectation is, okay, our expectation is the price broke this trend line. Now the price can come from here and come down, or at least break this session low. That's our expectation, because the price has broken the trend line first, or the price can come up to this zone and break this session low. So this is our expectation. The price may not do that. The price can even like do something like this, okay, but most of the time what it does, it breaks the essential low if it breaks the opposite trend line. I have collected a few of the data on that and it has proven to be true. So that is the thing. So we have to look for sell here and we cannot look for the sell directly. So let me go to the 5 minute. So in the 5 minute there is inducement, right? There is this inducement here, there is this inducement here. Inducement is basically when the price moved off, or the price, let me start the price action here. The price moved off, came down, moved off and came down, moved off and came down, isn't it? That's the price action over here, right? Right. So that is the price action over there. Let me make it much more clear, right? Right. So what you want is, if we are looking for sell from here, right? So all of the people will be looking for sell from here, right? That is trail line. Yes, here. So and their first layer of like stop loss will be above that, right? So what you want is, okay, we want the price to do is want the price to take this stop loss out, then utilize the order that are above this point in the market to fuel the move to the downside. That is our expectation. So at the price break above this candle, okay, let me replay the chart. At the price like break above this candle, the price take the inducement out of the market. So what do we look for? We look for sell. How? Okay, we put our sell stop below that, right? Sell stop below that because the market can keep going up. So we put our sell stop below that. Now, like stop loss will be 2 pips above that. So this is like 43 above that, and we target this sensation low, not most. This sensation low, right? So let me play the price forward. Nothing happened. This is the internal. Okay, time. Okay, the price break the previous candle high. So we move this to here, right? And our stop loss will also be 2 pips higher. So this is like 23, 43, and 53. So 50 and 50, 53, right, right. And our target will be all the way up top here. So let me delete this thing first. Let me delete this thing first. Okay. So yeah. So that is the trade. So let me break it out forward here. Right. So we have put our sell stop below this candle. Right. So let me play the price forward. Okay. So in this candle we got tapped into the trade. So the trade is going perfect. Now the price came back and the inducement, right? Right. So we can again enter this trade, right? We can again, this inducement is taken out on this candle. Okay, let me replay the price forward. So this inducement is taken out now. So as for our strategy, what is it? Sell stop below this candle. So maybe here, somewhere around here or here. Then we put our stop loss 2 pips above. So 24, 34, and 44. So that will go here. And we target all the way this to a sensation low, not much below. So again, replay, nothing much. We are not tapped into. Okay, the price break the previous candle high, right? So we put our sell stop below this, somewhere around here. And we put our stop loss. So this is 30, 40, and 50. So that is 5 pips stop. And we target this. So let me play the price forward. Okay, we get tagged into the trade. And going forward, okay, we are in the trade. So that was the trade, or two trades, beautiful trades. Okay, in the Asian session today, in the London session, sorry. So playing for that is one strategy. So strategy we do the like multiple time frame analysis. We can take care of that. Okay, so that was all. Okay, and this the same concept. First the price take the trail line liquidity out. Okay, then the price like take this inducement out. Okay, take this inducement out. Let me replay it forward. Okay, the price like take the trend line out. So we are looking for buys from like after this trend line is broken. Okay, we are looking for buys like the trend line is broken here. So we are looking for buys from here, right, and from here, right, because these are the two demand zone in the market. Okay. So let me replay it from like here. So going to the 5 minute, okay, there is this inducement in the market. Okay, there is this inducement. This is taken out. Okay, this inducement, this is taken, this is not taken out still. So play the price forward. This inducement is taken out, the price tagged into the demand zone. So our step buy step will be over here, few is above this candle. Our stop loss will be like here, and which is like 21, 31, and 41. So 41, 4.1 pips. Okay, so let me play the price forward. Okay, so I don't know, so in this condition I have to check whether the price break the structure downside for or upside first. So let if you realize, if you look at here, the upside first. This trade was perfectly valid. Okay. Yes, for our entry, this trade was perfectly valid, and there was this one trade loss. Okay, so there was this one trade loss in the market. So again, playing the price forward. Okay, there was that loss. Then again, the price came back here. and there is like similar kind of inducement, like there is this inducement, right? This inducement is taken out. Now we put our buy stop over here, then claim the price forward. Okay, what we are targeting is we are definitely targeting this sensation high. So the price went on forward. Okay, we keep on in the trade, we stayed in the trade, and the price sometime at one point the price came all the way down here, but the rest is history. Like the price went all the way up. Okay, and in fact it was aligned with like this bigger structure as well. So it is the price has like swept the liquidity, break the structure high. It was perfectly aligned. We take two trade. One was loss. One was like 1.4 or 1:4. So we get 3 are here. And today there was this two beautiful trade. So that's all. Thank you. So keep flowing.